This is the Dyson V11 head, and a little bit tricky to remove the center piece of it here, this piece here. So this video is just to show you how to do that. So this part, you have to turn this anti-clockwise, so you need to get a coin or something small to go in there and turn it completely anti-clockwise, and you'll see there's a little notch there, so you need to turn it by that. And once you get it by that, you can actually slide this part up and it'll come off, and then the rest of it comes apart. So you can actually take that out there and do all the cleaning here around this area where hair gets trapped, etc., and all in around here. So that's just how to dismantle this head. It's not quite as straightforward as you might think.